Listen, AI is not going to knock on your door and say, hey, you're fired, I'm your replacement. That's not how this works. What will happen is way more brutal and way more quiet. Some random dude, same age as you, same degree as you, who just spent a few months actually learning how to use AI properly is going to do your job faster, better, cheaper. And your boss is going to look at both of you and think, why am I paying two salaries when one person plus AI can do the work of three? AI doesn't have to replace humans, it just has to replace the average human. So in this video, I want to show you the difference between people AI will replace and the people AI will turn into superhumans, and exactly what you should do right now so you're not in the first group. Section 1. Where we actually are with AI. Most people still think AI is just a cheating tool for homework, a way to write essays, a way to generate some goofy pictures for Instagram. Meanwhile, in the real world, companies are already cutting interns in junior positions. Job listings are literally saying must be comfortable working with AI tools. Freelancers are losing clients to people who deliver the same work in 1/10 the time using AI. Let me give you some actual examples. Copywriting. Basic ad copy, product descriptions, blog drafts. A lot of that can be done by ChatGPT or other models now. Coding. Tools like GitHub Copilot, ChatGPT, Claude can already write functions, debug errors, and explain code in seconds. Design/media. Thumbnails, logos, social media posts, simple videos. One person with Canva plus AI tools can do what used to be a team's job. So when you hear AI is overrated, most of the time it's someone who hasn't really seen what it can do. Real examples. This is what people are doing. Let's make this real. 1. The student example. Student A uses AI like this. Write my essay. Solve this math problem for me. Give me the answers to this quiz. They passed the class, sure, but they learned nothing. The first time they sit in a real exam, an interview, or an oral presentation where they can't copy-paste ChatGPT, they're exposed. Student B uses AI differently. Explain this concept like I'm 5. Give me 3 examples so I can actually understand it. Then they close the tab and try to solve the problems on their own. Who do you think is going to be dangerous in 5 years? The creator. Creator A asks AI to write a full script, copy-pastes it, uses an AI voice, uses stock AI footage, and posts 10 videos a day. The content is technically fine, but it feels dead. No soul, no personality. It's forgettable. Creator B uses AI for idea generation, titles, maybe a rough outline. Then they add their opinions, their stories, their voice, their energy. Uses AI to help with editing, captions, thumbnails, but the core is still them. Creator B builds an actual audience. Creator A disappears in the AI noise. Same tools, completely different results. 2 types of people in the age of AI. Let me make this very clear. AI is going to split people into 2 groups. 1, the consumers. These people use AI to be lazier, to avoid doing the actual work, to skip the learning part and just get the answer. They're not getting smarter, they're getting more dependent. They become the type of worker that's super easy to replace because they're literally just forwarding AI's output. 2, the power users. These people use AI to learn faster, to build faster, to create at a level they couldn't reach on their own, yet. They're still thinking, they're still practicing, they're still building their own skills. AI is like an exoskeleton for them, not a wheelchair. Same technology, completely different mindset. Which one are you becoming? What you should actually do, step by step. Let's talk solutions. Step 1. Pick a lane. You can't be a master of everything. Decide what you actually want to be dangerous at. Coding/software/web, content creation, YouTube, TikTok, writing, design/branding/video editing, business/marketing/freelancing. Pick one lane to start with. Your goal for the next 6 to 12 months is not mess around with AI for fun. Your goal is become the person in this lane who knows how to use AI better than 99% of the people. Step 2. 30 minutes a day with intent.
That's it. 30 minutes a day for 30 days just to learn how AI applies to your lane. Not scrolling TikTok, not watching random videos, AI is crazy. Real practice. Examples. Type in best AI tools for your field on YouTube and Google. Ask ChatGPT, show me 5 powerful ways to use AI as a developer, content creator, student, designer. Then actually try them. Don't just nod and say, oh, that's cool. Open the tool, break it, figure out what it can and can't do. Step 3. Use AI to learn, not to hide. Here's the rule. Use AI to make the hard things clearer, not to make the hard things disappear. AI is your brainstorming partner, not your replacement. Step 4. Build an AI-boosted workflow. You want to build a system, not just random one-off uses. Example, content creator workflow. Brainstorm ideas with AI. Use AI to help you structure the video, outline. You write the script in your own voice. Use AI to check clarity, grammar, titles, descriptions. Use AI for parts of editing, captions, cuts, maybe some B-roll suggestions. Same for coding. Plan the project with AI, features, steps. Ask for help on specific pieces of code. Have AI review your code for bugs. Ask for ideas to improve performance or structure. Same for business. Use AI to research markets, competitors, and offers.
Section 7. Skills AI can't easily replace. Here's where you win long term. AI is good at patterns, information, and speed. It sucks at being human. If you want to stay valuable, double down on the stuff that's hard to automate. Critical thinking. Being able to look at AI's answer and say, this makes sense, or this is bullshit. Most people just accept the first answer. That's dangerous. Taste and creativity. Two people can use the same AI image generator. One makes garbage, the other makes art. The difference is taste, your internal sense of what's good. Real-world communication. Negotiating, selling, reading body language, leading a team, calming down a client. You can't automate human connection. Discipline and execution. AI can give you the perfect fitness plan, business plan, study schedule, but it cannot get you out of bed. It cannot make you do the work when you're tired. The people who combine AI plus critical thinking plus taste plus communication plus discipline are going to absolutely dominate. Everyone else will be stuck arguing on Twitter about whether AI is bad. Section 8. The brutal truth and a 30-day challenge. Let me be straight with you. Schools are not going to prepare you properly for this. Most of them move so slowly, by the time they update the curriculum, AI will be 10 versions ahead. A lot of jobs you think are safe are not safe, not because they'll vanish overnight, but because one person with AI will be able to do the work of 3 average people. So here's my challenge to you. For the next 30 days, 30 minutes a day, pick one area of your life, school, work, content, coding, business, and every day spend those 30 minutes learning and using AI in that area. By the end of those 30 days, you'll know more than 90% of the people around you. You'll have a few real projects or results under your belt, and you'll stop being scared of AI because you'll actually understand it. Most people won't do this. They'll just keep scrolling, keep complaining. You don't have to be most people. If you're still watching right now, you're already not average. Most people bailed the second they felt uncomfortable. So tell me in the comments, how are you using AI right now, honestly? Are you more of a consumer or a power user? And what do you want next? A video on how to make money with AI skills, or a video on the best AI tools for students, creators, freelancers? If this hit you a little too close to home, hit the like button so more people wake up to this. And subscribe if you want more no BS talks about AI, productivity, and your future. Because AI is not going away. The only question is, are you going to be replaced by it,
Or are you going to be the person who replaces everyone else because of it? Your move.